because why I said Nsobu, but at the end of the day, after the Biafran War, all the texts, both on the Nigerian side and some Biafran veterans who wrote about it, it was agreed that it was a no victor, no vanquished, outing. But at the end of the day, the war has left in its trail a lot of damaged mindset. After that war, there are families that no longer exist. There were thousands and thousands of Igbo intelligentsia who maybe would have ordinarily become, some major force in transforming Ali Igbo, who were killed, needlessly in that war. So for me, what is there in a war? I tell people that as no also Nyamalife, Yane made the same thing over and over again, a different result. You get it? If you talk about Ndibo, Aideka Ndi Jew, Mananya Brondi Jew, na Aideka. So not that simile. Anya Brondi Jew for those who come out to advance
similar or metaphor.
Simile. So Aideka Ndi Jew, Mananya Bro in the Jew in the sense that in terms of our social outlook, maybe our socialization, some cultural uniqueness, I'm with this kind of the same kind of orientation within, in the Jew, and particularly how we engage our environment. So somebody will say we are an itinerant people. We are in everybody's backyard. As a matter of fact, everywhere. Post-independence, we were everywhere. Some of our founding fathers, somebody like Zeke. Zeke was not born in Onitsha. Ojukwu was not born in the Nnewi. So you realize that even before our coming, they survived by interaction, they survived by trade, they survived by meeting people. Because I don't want to say Naibonde na Azuafia because Obrondi Bonde na Azuafia. That's another misconception. Eurendi Igbo Azuafia manama fama ama mafia onezikizo.
Yes.
So maybe because now we go trading, as part of the things everybody trades in the urban Azuafia and the Hausa na Azuafia, everything na Azuafia. Maybe because we have a very ingenious way I see a mankind, which has become globally accepted as the Igbo apprenticeship system, where we create our own competition. You train up your own competition.